Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the unboxing, review and initial setup of the Realme P4X. Yes friends, finally I did get my hands on with the Realme P4X device. So just now I did order, I think 2 days back, and just now I did receive the device. So after the exchange value, I paid around close to like 5,000 rupees for this phone. I did exchange my previous Realme phone, and I do have the Moto G57 Power, so which has been released similar price range, 12,999, and this phone like 13,999, so which is definitely pretty good. For this price, we are getting Dimensity 7400 Ultra and Badigon's mobile game 90 FPS supported and 144 Hz refresh rate, along with that 7000 mAh of battery capacity. So which definitely I'm curious to test out the battery capacity and the performance of the Realme P4X device. So let me quickly unbox and let me show you what are the box contents inside this device. So this is an open box delivery, and that is the reason why the phone has been already like unboxed by the delivery person. And you do have the charging cable, USB to Type-C charging cable, and the charging power brick as well, which came along with the device, which is of 45 watts fast charger, as you can see. And there is a SIM card removal pin, and this should be the case. So this is a case, so which is of transparent case, which is pretty good. So they did include the transparent case as well, as you can see, guys. So not bad. So which is not available with the Moto G57 Power. They did not provide any kind of case, and it is a Realme P4X, as you can see. This is a first impression. So which feels definitely kind of like premium phone, I would definitely say that. So it did come with a screen protector out of the box, which is also really fantastic and which is missing in the Moto G57 Power. So the case and the screen protector is not there with this device. And don't forget to subscribe and follow my channel for more updates. I'll try to compare with the Moto G57 Power along with the Realme P4X. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So I did upload plenty of videos already on the Moto G57 Power as well. So right now let's do the quick unboxing of the Realme P4X. So Realme UI, and let's do the setup. So this is the initial setup process for the Realme P4X. So let me click next, India, and next, skip, and skip. I'll try to connect to the Wi-Fi later. Skip. So more, accept, and let's see guys what are the different turn off. I don't want the glance and global search, I don't want. So let's click agree, and let me select the buttons first, and later I'll try to change to the sketcher. And these are Realme UI finally. So the phone completely has been set up. So this is how the phone looks, pretty good. So this is a Realme P4X. So let me quickly show you exactly what is the Realme version. It is out of the box with the Realme UI 6.0, as you can see. So Realme UI 6.0 with the Dimensity 7400 Ultra processor, and out of 128 GB, 20 GB is already used. As you can see guys, 20 GB is used. So these are the applications which came along with the device. As you can see, bloatware and everything like phone pay, Netflix we got here. Yeah. So this is a quick initial setup process, and by default the phone comes with a 10 GB of RAM expansion. So that's the reason why the internal storage has been consumed by the 10 GB of RAM expansion. That's why we are seeing this kind of low. But these are Realme P4X, and I'll try to do the anti benchmark test and gaming testing, performing testing, battery testing. So I'll do plenty of testing, and the phone comes out of the box with the 53% of the battery capacity. I'll definitely do the comparison side by side with the Moto G57 Power versus Realme P4X. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until instead of more updates, and bye.